Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Namecheap hosting SEO access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw SEO access from your Namecheap hosting account, start by logging into your Namecheap account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the section labeled Hosting List. Click on the hosting list to view. Find the specific hosting account from which you want to withdraw SEO access. Click on the Manage button next to that hosting account. In the Management panel, look for the Users or Access Control tab. Click on this tab to view the current users and their permissions. Identify the user whose SEO access you want to withdraw. Once you find the user, look for the option to edit or manage their permissions. Click on the Edit option next to the user's name. In the Permissions section, uncheck or disable the SEO access. Make sure to review the changes to confirm that you are removing the correct permissions. After you have made your adjustments, scroll down to find the Save Changes button. Click on Save Changes to apply the new settings for that user. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the changes were successful. To ensure everything is correctly updated, log out and then log back in. Check the Users or Access Control tab again to verify that the SEO access has been successfully withdrawn. If everything looks good, you are all set. You have now successfully withdrawn SEO access from your Namecheap hosting account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.